Have you ever contemplated the profound connection between the ancient practice of yoga and your emotional well-being? Balance your emotions with yoga isn't just about striking poses on a mat. It's an exploration of how the practice of yoga can be a transformative journey toward enhancing your emotional health, achieving inner peace, and ultimately leading to a more balanced and emotionally fulfilling life. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can something as ancient as yoga become a means to balance your emotions, to soothe the turbulence of the mind, and find serenity within? Let's embark on a captivating journey into the world of yoga and its profound influence on your emotional and mental equilibrium. At the heart of Balance Your Emotions with Yoga lies the understanding that yoga is a holistic practice that connects the body, mind, and spirit. This connection is instrumental in managing emotions and achieving emotional balance. Yoga fosters emotional resilience. Through the physical postures, asana, and breath control, you learn to navigate emotional discomfort with greater ease, ultimately leading to more emotional equilibrium. Yoga encourages mindfulness. By being present in the moment, you learn to observe your emotions without judgment, gaining insight and emotional intelligence that contribute to a more balanced emotional state. The practice of yoga often incorporates deep breathing and meditation techniques. These practices help calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote emotional balance. Regular meditation can lead to a more peaceful and emotionally stable state. Yoga is a source of emotional release. In the physical practice, you often encounter and work through emotional blocks stored in your body. This process can lead to a sense of emotional freedom and well-being. The act of practicing yoga can create emotional connections. Whether it's the sense of community in a group class or the personal connection with your own body, yoga often results in a sense of belonging and emotional fulfillment. Yoga can be a form of self-care and self-love. Dedication to your practice is a powerful affirmation of your worth and the recognition that you deserve to experience emotional balance and well-being. The practice of yoga often extends to the community. Many practitioners find that their newfound emotional balance influences their interactions with others, spreading serenity, emotional well-being, and balance in their communities. Moreover, yoga is a tool for personal growth. It encourages you to embrace self-discovery, emotional balance, and mindfulness, leading to a more fulfilling life and a profound sense of emotional equilibrium. In conclusion, Balance Your Emotions with Yoga is an invitation to prioritize yoga as a transformative element in your pursuit of emotional balance, inner peace, and personal growth. It's a reminder that balance and emotional well-being can be found within, through the practice of yoga. By incorporating the principles of yoga into your life, you can unlock a lasting source of emotional equilibrium that enriches your daily existence. So, with each asana, deep breath, and moment of mindfulness, envision it as an opportunity to balance your emotions, promoting serenity, emotional well-being, and a profound sense of equilibrium, one practice at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.